Welcome everybody to my Nookery. My name is Linda, and the reason we're here today is that it's the 1st of November, so pinch and a punch for the first day of the month, and white rabbits too. I do believe it's All Saints Day as well today, so 1st of November, it's a Tuesday, so that obviously that means, guys, we have November's giveaway. Do you want to see what I've got for the giveaway this month? I've got something a little bit special this month because it's winter. I have got Yarn Art Flowers Alpaca. It is 20% alpaca and 80% acrylic. That is the colour. I don't think it's got a colour. It just says 427. But if you can see, it's all lilacs and that. So it starts with pink and then goes to white, then white and lilac, but it's really nice. And there is, let me see, 250 grams, 940 meters, 1027 yards, guys. So there's a lot there. And then, as always, I always give notions, don't I? So we have got a notepad and pencil with the magnet on that you can put on your trolley. A little notions bag with, inside, we have got a pen, 2 tapestry hooks, and a little box to keep your 10 stitch markers in. So the word I need from you guys is flower. So let me get my calendar. So the word is flower, so I need to put that on so I won't forget. And this will go on, it closes on the 25th of November, guys, and the winning video goes live on the 29th of November. I am responsible for this giveaway. YouTube is no way affiliated with it. You must be 18 years and over, and you must be a subscriber of my channel. I'm responsible for getting the yarn posted to you. If there's tax duties at your end, then you're responsible for that. It is worldwide. All my giveaways are worldwide, guys, so I really don't have to say it. I just, for those who are new here, the word is flower. You need to put that in your comment, and you must leave a comment and a thumbs up. And yeah, so I think that's all. I hope you like this month's yarn. I thought winter's here and this would be really nice to make. You could make a hat and cowl set with even some mittens. And so yeah, guys. Oh, I never said what weight it is, what weight yarn it is. What weight is it? It's a 2 weight, guys. It's a 2 weight. So once again, guys, thank you all so much for your love, your prayers, your support. I do so appreciate them. And that's it from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.